Today's project. See a towel down there? Help keep out the draft, but today's project. Socket sealers. I'm going to go around this apartment and install those everywhere. That and some of this rope caulk. I have some door sealer on here, but it's going to go up around the edge of that framing. These older apartments, this place was built back in '79, and I'm sure there's a bit of a leak up there. We'll start down there and go around. This is today's project. And back behind the TV, of course, and kitchen and bedroom, etc. But not with the rope caulk, with the socket sealer. Keep that recording. Well, this is how it comes. I can't see it because the camera's way down here on the floor. So, it comes in a sheet. Pop out the insert. Should be enough. And no, I'm not going to turn off the electricity. Pop those around. Put the plate back on. Don't lose the screw. Perfect. Summertime, wintertime. I'm sure there's some loss here. I think it should make a difference over a period of time. Not to over tighten, just hand tighten. And that's that. You go around the house and do that everywhere. Oh, just got back from shopping. I was going to finish that video yesterday about installing the rope caulk and socket sealers. I got that all done. I did it in a couple shifts, as it were. You can do them all at the same time. Socket behind the PC. I did that when I shut it all down. But yeah, hopefully it'll make a difference in the long run. I got my electric bill, and it was only like $55, and it's summer. We'll see what it is next month. But I did find one good leak. It was behind that socket down there. I actually feel hot air coming through that dang thing, which is weird. So hopefully that will make a difference too. Minor home improvement, home insulation. I don't know what I'm going to file this under, but it comes. It's socket sealers. There are 18 outlets and 6 plate switches. Things like that. I just did 2 of them on there, and the ones in the kitchen. Even in that hallway right there, but which I don't think that would make too much of a difference. That's about it. Thanks for watching.